Hi, I'm Joel, Master Toy Maker here at Melon, and this is our new Melon app that controls our new RGB Critter BT color changing flashlight. In this app, you'll find all kinds of color modes that we've created that you can use on your RGB Critter BT, as well as sections that you can use to create your own color modes and save as many color modes as you could possibly want. Let's take a closer look now. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the playlist section in the Melon app. And what you're seeing here is the playlist section of the app, and it's essentially the home page of our app. At the top, you can see the name of the RGB critter that's attached. You can also see the battery life percentage here at the top. This on-off button will turn off the RGB critter BT. You can turn it back on. That works if you have one RGB critter attached. It works for any number of RGB critters up to 10 that you have connected. You can also turn the RGB critter off here with the power button on the physical flashlight. You can turn it back on here and you can see the responsiveness between the flashlight and the app. What you're seeing here are the preloaded playlists that come on the Melon app. These are all color modes or colors that have been created by our team at Melon. And if I open up the solid color playlist, these are all solid color options that you have to play on your RGB Critter BT. And so I'm just pressing there, I can press here, and it's showing you with the green indicator that that is the different color that is being selected. You can also cycle through these different options by pressing these arrows on the app here at the bottom. I can shuffle the different options. So if I press here, it's randomly selecting what color appears next. I'm going to go back to the playlist section. Here's the fade options. These are all different fades that we've created that you can play on your RGB Critter BT. It has the same functionality that you just saw there with the solid colors. You also have the option to navigate the different modes using the buttons on the RGB Critter BT. And to do that, press the rocket button here on the bottom right. You're going to see an option here that reads button navigation. If you press the eye icon, you can see a description of these different features on the universal settings page. This one here, if you turn it on, what we did now is we activated the top and the middle button, the arrow and the rocket buttons on the RGB Critter BT, but we've deactivated the power buttons so you won't be able to accidentally turn your RGB Critter off if you're playing with your RGB Critter and you just want to cycle through different modes. So what this feature does is it allows you to cycle through the different options of an opened playlist. So now I'm just pressing the top button, the arrow button, and you can see the app is responding. It's playing the next mode in that list. I can press the rocket button and it brings me back down through that same list. You also have a My Playlist section here. These are playlists that you can create. And what you can do is you can fill these playlists with different modes that you create in the DIY section. And I'll show you the DIY section in a different video. But for now, what we can do is send a mode from the Melon playlist section to the custom playlist section. The way to do that is we press the three dots here on the right of one of these modes. And then at the bottom, you see it says add to custom playlist. I'm gonna press that. There aren't any custom playlists created yet, so we need to create one. And I'm just gonna call this Joel's playlist. And then that created the playlist. So it just told you that mode was sent to my new playlist. And you'll find that here. There's that mode, here's my playlist. So let's go ahead and add some more modes to this custom playlist so that I can show you some other features within the app. So I'm gonna go back to the AOAM playlist section. I'm gonna press those three dots on the right of one of these modes, and then I'm gonna add this to, we already have this playlist created, so I'm just gonna select it and hit save. There's your indicator saying where your mode was saved to, and I'm gonna add this mode here to that same playlist. Okay, so now that we have three modes in this playlist, I can show you how to reorder the modes, and all you have to do is drag and drop after you press that reorder button at the top. So I'm just dragging and dropping. You can only reorder modes within a playlist if it's in the My Custom Playlist section. All of these playlists are defined and uneditable. Thanks for watching this video on the playlist section of the Melon app. In our next video, we're going to be showing you how to use the DIY section to create a custom mode.